Hello guys, good evening, and how is everything going? I'm Aaron FX. Okay, I've been down with cough and malaria. At least I'm getting better and I'm getting back on my feet. Okay, so we're going to start this evening. I try to combine two different apps so that I can illustrate why explaining, so that I can draw on the screen, but it was not possible. So I'm going to explain, then I will send a screenshot of my explanation later. Okay, so just try and understand the concept I'm going to give here, so when I send the screenshots you get it better. So if you have been following us, if you have set up your chart and you have been following your chart should be like this. Okay, we have four moving averages. The black one is 200. The yellow one is 50. The green one is 20. Then the reddish one is 5. Okay, and the down one will have RSI indicator. Okay, so if you have set up your chart properly, this is how it ought to look like. And there's other one indicator that I didn't add the other time. It's called fractals. So I'm going to show you guys how to um add the fractals. Okay, so you click on the screen. Okay, as normal, click on the screen, go to the F icon, you click on add main charts. These are F sign with a plus. You click on it, then you scroll down, you see fractals there. Okay, so you click on it. The style, leave it at 2 pixels. Then the color, leave it at red. Then you click on done. Okay, so you can tilt your screen you can rotate your screen so that you can have a wider view. What you are going to do now, you are going to click on the screen and change it to 4 hours. Okay, if you click on the screen, you are going to see at the left hand side, you are going to see M1, which means 1 minute, M5 5 minutes, M15 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. Okay, so it means 1 minute, these candlesticks that you are seeing, that is why what I wanted to do, I wanted to be pointing it out on the screen, but it was not possible. Each candlesticks that you are seeing, you can read more about candlesticks on Google, okay, to understand it better. It means if the chart is 1 minute, it means every minute one of the candlestick will form. Okay, every minute. Or if it is 5 minutes, it means every 5 minutes a candlestick will form. Like that, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly, and so on. You understand, guys? So all these things that you are seeing, this the bluish one and the reddish one, they are called the candlesticks. Okay, candlesticks, it represents the price. It shows the price of what you are selling and what you are buying. If you follow the first video, like if you check the top corner of the left hand side, you see USD, that's United States dollar, and Canadian dollar. Okay, then the time frame, which is 5 minutes. You understand? You can change the time frame to 4 hours if you would. Okay, so that is the pair that we are trading presently. You understand? So if the market is above this black moving average, that is the 200 moving average, that means they are buying United States dollar and they are selling Canadian dollar. But if market is below, like here you can see the market is below the 200 moving average here, it means they are selling out the base currency, which is the USD, and they are buying Canadian dollar. But if it is above it, it means they are buying USD and selling Canadian dollar. They are exchanging. You understand? It's the same thing as buying and selling. So what are you going to do? Like in this case, for example, that the market is below 200 200 moving average. What are you going to do is telling you that now you are going to sell USD and buy Canadian dollar. Okay, how will you know if when to buy? When to buy and when to sell. Like in this place now, where you see that immediately the market comes below the 200 moving average. If you notice, there was also a cross. Okay, how I wish I can draw on the screen so that you guys will understand, but I'll try my best. Okay, immediately it crosses, you will notice that the alignment of 10 moving average, the 20 and the 50 moving average changes. The red one will be down, followed by the greenish one, followed by the yellow one. It's an indication that the market is selling. Whenever the red one is down, followed by the greenish one, yellowish one, and the top one is the 200 moving average, and the market is below 200 moving average, is telling that is what? A selling signal. You understand? And also you have to combine it with the RSI indicator. Okay, whenever it is at 70, okay, whenever it's at 70, like here now, let me try and see if I can show something. Okay, yeah, okay, let me try and move it. You can see I'm moving one. Okay, so if you can see, that is where the market comes below 200 moving average, and that is where the alignment changes. You understand? It's to tell you that the market is about to sell. And if you correspond it with the RSI, if you can continue to draw the line down, which is not possible, you will notice that whenever the market is at 70, it means the market is over what? But you understand? That means the buyers, they are giving up already. And whenever the market is hovering around 30, it means the market is oversold, that the sellers are giving up already. You understand? So now here here the market is below 200 moving averages, and the alignment of the other moving averages, you see the yellow, the reddish one down, followed by the greenish, the yellow. You understand? It means you are going to sell. Okay, so let's look for a buy signal and see. Let's look for a buy signal. Okay, let's take a look at this place. Oh my god, yeah, I'm coming. Let me look for it. Yeah, I'm gonna look for a perfect one. Look at this place, for example. Okay, the market is what started going above what 200 moving average. You understand where this I'm moving this this line. Okay, so one, if you notice the alignment, one, the market is above this black one, that is the 200 moving average. Secondly, followed by the yellowish one, followed by the green, then the reddish one, is to tell you that the market is what buying on 4 hours charts. Okay, the other that I gave you an example of when the market is selling. Okay, now if the market is buying, what does it mean? It means USD. If you check the top of the left hand side, you see the pair that we're trading. You see that USD is appreciating in value and the Canadian dollar is depreciating. When the market is buying, it's going up. Okay, and like, let me see if I can also find something to illustrate. Okay, like here now, the market is going down. Okay, one, the market, this thing is below 200 level, 200 moving average MA, and the alignment of the other MA. Okay, let's look for an uptrend. Like in this case now, okay, let me look for, like in this place now. If you notice, the market is above 200 moving average, and the alignment, when the arrow is pointing, when the market is going up, like indicated by this arrow, it means the market is buying. Okay, guys, with laptop it's going to be more okay. Maybe I will try and create a lecture with this technique on the laptop so that you guys can get it better. You understand? I try to combine so many apps so that I can draw, but it was not possible. Okay, so this is how to trade this technique. For example, after you have determined if the market is above or below moving average and the alignment and the position of RSI, what are you going to do? Click on your screen, you click on 15 minutes. Okay, you click on 15 minutes. So whenever the fractals appear, like let me explain something here. Like if you see this up one, don't buy. You wait for the down one. This up fractal is a selling signal, but from our analysis the market is buying, so you don't enter. What you do, you wait for the down one to appear. You know, this fractal, the up one, look at it here, then the down one. So if you are going to buy, always whenever the down signals, the fractals appear, that's when you are going to buy. And if it's a selling signal, you are going to buy when the upper one appears. Okay, like the one this thing is moving on. Okay, so this is how to trade this market. So what are you going to do now? How will you buy and how will you sell? You click on your screen, at the top right, you see an icon there, like a copy icon with a plus. Then above this this one that looks like F, so you click on it. So you will see instant execution. The other one follow is the lot size. So I'm going to, maybe you can read more about lot size, or I'll do a video to define some of these basic stuff for you guys. So since now we are predicting buy, so if it is sell, you click sell. If it is buy, you click buy. But now this is for lecture purposes. Okay, so you click on buy, click on done. So you see now I've initiated, so I'm buying USD and selling Canadian dollar. So minus 23.25 that you are seeing is my current either loss or profit. If it is minus 2325 is loss, but if it is plus 23.25, you are gaining. But you gain, it doesn't change immediately. It will take like from 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and for it to change to positive. Okay, so guys, this is how to trade this technique. As time goes on, I'm going to explain. If you have any question, please, you can ask us. We are here to help you. Thank you, guys.